Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we're back with another lip tutorial. I love making these. And this one is a soft berry lip. So it's not the dark berry lip that I've already done. I did that video if you want to see something a little bit more vampy. I got you. It's not the bubblegum pink that I've already done. If you want to see something a little bit more bubblegum, I've got you. It's not a hot pink. It's not a purple. It's not a nude. I'm going to call it a soft berry lip. And we're going to get right into it. If you like this video along the way, please make sure you like the video. It really does help a lot. It really, really does. And subscribe down below. We're working towards 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support so far. And I will see you this whole video. What am I talking about? I'm not going anywhere. Roll the clip. Just get to the short. Hi. Let's get into these lips. I want to first highlight the Cupid's bow. The first step to my favorite lip combos, to all my best lip combos, doesn't even start on the lip. It starts right here. Today I'm going to be using the J-Cat Beauty Baked Highlighter in Crimson Gleam. It has a little bit of pinkness to it. I'm wearing it on my cheeks too. And I'm going to just take my finger. You can take a brush. It's not necessary. Not necessary. You can use your finger. I'm going to use my finger. And I'm going to apply it to my Cupid's bow. Where is your Cupid? What is a Cupid's bow? That's this part right here. The V, where the right side of your top lip and the left side of your top lip meet. Now your Cupid's bow may look different than mine. That's cool. Don't even sweat it. That's cool. It may be bigger than mine, maybe smaller than mine. But that's where you're going to apply this. And that highlight there is going to add a great base for the liner. And that contrast is going to make this part of the lip look really, really sharp. So this is a step I do not like this shit. Yes. All right. Now, for any Lauren Brown lip combo, there are 3 parts. Sometimes 4 if you add a gloss. But there are at least 3 parts, which is going to be your liner, your main color, and your highlight. So let's start with the liner. Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lippie Pencil in On Ice. And you can always use products that are comparable to my products. So you don't have to have the exact same berry lip liner I have. Just go for the same color if you want to get the same effect. But you don't have, it doesn't have to exactly be this. But I will link it on the video if you would like to buy it. You're going to start on the bottom lip. I'm going to start on the right side, this little right corner right here on the bottom lip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make one line all the way to the other side. As you can see, I do overline a little bit. I don't do it for the size of my lips. I'm not like, oh my gosh, I want my lips to be bigger. I want people to think my lips are bigger. It's more so for the shape, right? So, got that good line right there. One take, Drake. Thank you very much. Now we're going to go on the top. I'm going to start on the right side of the top lip. So I'm going to start here. And I'm going to go ahead and line that side. Wonderful. Now I'm going to go ahead and line the other side. Yes, make them connect. Very nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and darken that line and fill into the center of the lip a little bit more. Straighten that up. Very, very nice. And the reason why I do this is so that this looks like an ombre and not just like a one line boundary out here. It looks a little crazy. It's not my personal preference. I actually think that it's it looks good when it's intentional, but it's not, it wasn't intentional today. So that's why I like to fill in the lip just a little bit more. It's like putting, you know, letters in bold when you type. I like it. Now, speaking of bold, we're going to go for that main color. Today, we're going to be using the Too Faced Empower Cream Lipstick in Chocolate Strawberry, and it's a nude. It's more pink toned. So when I say pink tone, it's a nude lipstick, but it leans more pink. It's not necessarily pink, and I like that because it gives it a softness. It's not too like, oh, this is a pink lip combo. It's a soft berry lip combo. It's almost nude, but it's not. So we're gonna add that right to the center of the lip, and this is gonna be that main color I was talking about. I'm a big user of liquid lipsticks. If you've seen on my other YouTube tutorials with my lips, I've done so many colors. I've done red, I've done vampy red and vampy purple. I've done hot pink, I've done bubblegum pink, I've done nude, I've done blue, I've done orange, I've done like a gray smoky. And I love liquid lipsticks, but a cream lipstick, it does come with some ease, I must say. Like, I don't even have to wait for this to dry down. This is where I'm like, wait for it to dry down. But it comes with the ease, like, oh wow. Just applied and that's it. Also, if you like chocolate, all these lipsticks smell like chocolate. I don't like chocolate, but this is from their Cocoa collection. Now for the highlight. Oh, faithful. You almost knew she was coming. This is the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint in On Point. It's technically a liquid eyeshadow. Look. Do not let what something is labeled as on a makeup packaging limit you. Because I use this more as a lipstick than I do on the eye. I think I have one YouTube tutorial where I use this on the eye, but it is just so bomb on the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that right to the center of the lip. As you can see, that's that light pink. We're going to go ahead and just use a brush if you would like, but you don't need a brush. A brush will give you a little bit more of like a perfect blend, but the ombre really can work for itself without a brush if you don't have a brush. Very nice. Now let's talk about why I use all these products. The reason why I do that is to develop the ombre, right? So as you can see, there's an ombre blend from the darkest shade to the inner shade. That main color, the highlight. The reason why you want the highlight, right, and why you put it in the center of the lip is because anywhere you put highlight on your face, so like say for example, the center of my nose, I use a lighter concealer underneath the center of my eye to highlight attraction to the center of the face, the tops of the cheekbone. Anywhere you put highlight is where the eye goes. So if somebody's looking at me, that's where their eye is going to go just naturally. It doesn't have to be a shiny highlight, but just highlights and contrast. That's why we put them in the face. So you're going to do the same thing on the lip. I want most of the attention of the eye to go to the center of the lip. So I add that nice highlight there. It also flushes out and makes the ombre bloom. I love it. Now, here's what you can do. The reason why I tell you why we do every step is so that you can kind of figure out what you want for yourself and how to do it for yourself. So you don't have to be like, oh man, she didn't go over this part on how to do it. I want y'all to be able to have some independence and be able to reverse engineer some of the steps I'm telling you. So for example, I'm like, this is looking a little bit too light. I want it to be a little bit bolder. Oh, I told you what's gonna make it bolder. That liner right there. So you can go ahead and just add a little bit more. It's gonna look choppy as I add it, but once I do a little kiss thing, it'll be all right. Boom, boom. They may be saying, Lauren, I feel like mine is too dark. Add a little bit more main color. You're like, still too dark. Add a little bit more highlight. Or if you say, I feel like I added too much highlight and now it looks just like pastel pink in the center of my lips. So that's why we do every step that we do. Here is the final lip. I very much like it. We're about to get ready for Valentine's Day, okay? And Valentine's Day is my thing. This might be your first time watching me. First video of mine. Welcome. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please make sure you like down below and consider subscribing. Working towards 50,000 subscribers. But if you're new here, just know Valentine's Day, that's my favorite holiday after my birthday. That's my thing. So I'm gonna, chalk this up, put this in the Valentine's playlist. I think it'll be great for Valentine's Day. If you have any other looks that you would like to see, let me know down below. Any other lips, because you may be watching this in like June, July, November. That's the fun thing about content, it's evergreen. You may not be watching this in February 2024, but if you have any sort of things you want to see, whether it's eyeshadow, face makeup, I did a video just now on how I apply my lashes, and I have this new trick, the easiest way I find to apply lashes. So check that video out as well. If you want to know anything about my face, I have videos on my base makeup, my blush 101, my waterline, how I do waterline 101, my brows, literally everything. Setting spray 101, setting powder 101. So stay a while, check out my makeup foundations playlist, especially if you're a beginner and you just want to know what all these words mean. There's so many words in makeup. If you want to see me on any other social medias, they're all at Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter. They're all on. If you want to see more of my looks, more of my life, you can check me out in the shorts tab. I post way more looks over there. Also on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Raggedy World, the same way it's spelled down below. I will see you all more this year. I will see you in my next video. And Have a good one.